Hi guys, welcome back to Yaya's Craft House. Today we're going to be decorating the front porch for Christmas. I got this little set last year at Target before Christmas and it was $3. I'm going to take out the little tree container and use it on the front porch. These two little nutcrackers came from the Dollar Tree a few years ago. I'm going to set them on either side of the front steps. This little ornament came from the Dollar Tree. It had a little greenery on the side, but I took that off to use in the dollhouse. I have this little iron-on material, and I'm going to cut a section out to use as a little doormat on the front porch. These little things came from the Dollar Tree. We're going to use them as garland. So I took two and I kind of fluffed them out, and then I wrapped two together to make it thicker. And then I'm going to attach three of these together for the front door garland. I'm out of my little poster putty, so I'll have to get some before I can attach the garland. This little tree also came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to set it up here by the little container of trees. These little ornaments came from the Dollar Tree, and I thought we could use one as a little door hanger. These little sleds also came from the Dollar Tree. I got a sheet of fake snow from the Dollar Tree. I didn't realize it was the glitter one, so I'm just going to turn it upside down and use it. I also got some of this little faux loose snow, and I'm just going to sprinkle it around to help add some texture to the snow. The stuff was kind of addicting once I started sprinkling it. I had to make myself stop. I have a little piece of cork, and we're just going to use it to kind of layer the doormats. I think it looks really cute together. I have another little tree from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to put it on the other side of the door. I went ahead and wrapped some lights around the garland and tried sticking it up again. I really struggled with this garland, getting it to stay. I found this little icicle garland from the Dollar Tree, and I thought we could cut it down to size and add it to the roof. So I went out and got some poster putty, and we're going to try to attach it to the garland to see if that will work. Spoiler alert, it did not work. I ended up just taking a little bitty drop of hot glue and attaching it at the top, and then on the sides I used some poster putty. I even used a little tape, but as of right now it's staying. I took some greenery and put in the little sled and set it on the porch. When I built this little porch, I never did finish the windows and the door, and for the windows I went ahead and cut a strip of foam board and measured it down and cut it and glued it into the windows. I had these little wreaths from last year from Hobby Lobby, and I wanted that to hang them on the windows, but I wanted to use these little red and black bows instead of the red ones, so I just ripped off the old ones and used some hot glue to glue on the new ones, and then used some poster putty to attach them to the windows. I also used some poster putty and attached our little icicle garland, and I hung up our little door sign. I have this little Santa gift tag I got from Hobby Lobby, and I kind of want to put it in the window like Santa's peeking out of the window. So I just used a piece of tape and attached it on the back side. Finally, I went back in with more of the loose fake snow and started sprinkling it around again. I went to add the little nutcrackers back into the scene, and I don't think we need them. I think it kind of clutters up the house, so I'm not going to use them after all. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up below and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you back here soon.